Hello and welcome to this deep dive into one of the most fascinating topics of the 21st century, artificial intelligence, or AI. What is it? How does it work? Where is it being used? And what does it mean for our future? Artificial intelligence is not just about robots or science fiction anymore. It's in your phone, your streaming apps, your bank, your car, even in the ads you see online. But despite how common AI has become, many people still don't understand what it really is. Is AI a single technology? A type of robot? Or a future threat to humanity? Let's break it down. The term artificial intelligence refers to the ability of machines to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. That includes understanding language, solving problems, recognizing patterns, making decisions, and learning from experience. So when you talk to Siri, ask Alexa a question, or let YouTube recommend your next video, you're using AI. To understand where AI is going, we first need to know where it came from. Let's go back to the beginning, to ancient times. Humans have dreamed about artificial beings for centuries. In ancient Greek mythology, Hephaestus, the god of fire, built mechanical servants. In the 13th century, Arab inventors designed mechanical musicians. But modern AI began in the 20th century, with the rise of computers. 1943, Warren McCulloch and Walter Pitts created the first mathematical model for neural networks. 1950, Alan Turing posed the question, "Can machines think?" and created the Turing test. 1956, at the Dartmouth Conference, the term artificial intelligence was officially born. 1960s-70s, AI research gained funding. Early programs played chess and solved math problems. 1980s, introduction of expert systems, programs that used human-like rules to make decisions. 1997, IBM's Deep Blue beat world chess champion Garry Kasparov. 2011, IBM Watson defeated two Jeopardy champions. 2012, neural networks improved dramatically with deep learning. 2022 to 2025, ChatGPT, AI art, autonomous driving, facial recognition, AI became mainstream. Today, AI continues to evolve at a pace that is hard to keep up with. AI might sound like magic, but it's actually based on data, mathematics, and logic. Let's see how it works behind the scenes. 3 core components of AI. Data, the fuel of AI. Algorithms, the brain of AI. Computing power, the muscle behind it. What is data? AI systems learn by being fed massive amounts of data. For example, if we want to teach an AI to recognize cats, we feed it thousands or millions of labeled cat images. Algorithms means. An algorithm is a set of rules or instructions. In AI, algorithms help machines learn patterns, make predictions, or generate new content. Types of learning. Supervised learning, learning from labeled data, like emails marked as spam or not spam. Unsupervised learning, finding patterns in unlabeled data, like grouping customers by behavior. Reinforcement learning, learning through trial and error, like how AlphaGo learned to play Go. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning that mimics the human brain using artificial neural networks. Imagine layers of virtual neurons connected to each other. Each layer processes information and passes it on. This allows the AI to understand complex things, like voice commands, handwriting, or emotions in text. Graphics processing units, GPUs, help AI process massive amounts of data quickly. That's why companies like NVIDIA and Google are key players in AI infrastructure. AI isn't just one single thing. Let's break it down into categories. Narrow AI, weak AI. AI designed for a specific task. Examples: Google search, spam filters, recommendation engines, virtual assistants. This is the type of AI we use every day. General AI, strong AI. Hypothetical AI that can perform any intellectual task a human can. Think of a machine that can cook, drive, play music, teach, and write poetry. We are not there yet. Superintelligent AI. Beyond human intelligence. could surpass the smartest humans in creativity, problem-solving, and emotions. Still purely theoretical, but a topic of debate among scientists. AI is already shaping many parts of your life, often without you even knowing. Healthcare. AI can analyze medical scans, predict disease, assist in surgery, and discover new drugs. IBM Watson can analyze millions of medical journals to suggest treatments. Finance. AI fights fraud, manages investments, automates credit scoring. Robo-advisors use algorithms to guide investments. Transportation. Self-driving cars, smart traffic systems, ride-sharing algorithms like Uber. Tesla's autopilot and Waymo's driverless taxis are prime examples. Retail and e-commerce. AI recommends products, predicts trends, manages stock, and personalizes customer experiences. Agriculture. AI-powered drones monitor crops. Algorithms predict weather and pests. Education. Adaptive learning tools adjust to student progress. AI tutors help students practice languages or math. Entertainment and media. AI creates music, writes scripts, edits videos, and recommends content. Netflix, YouTube, and TikTok use AI to keep you watching. Military and defense. Surveillance, autonomous drones, and threat analysis. Why are governments and businesses investing so heavily in AI? Because it offers enormous benefits. Efficiency. AI automates boring and repetitive tasks. Speed. AI can analyze and process huge amounts of data in seconds. Accuracy. AI models can reduce human error in areas like diagnosis or translation. 24/7 availability. AI doesn't sleep, take breaks, or get tired. Personalization. From playlists to shopping carts, AI customizes your experiences. Innovation. AI opens doors to things humans can't do alone, like space exploration or protein folding. But it's not all smooth sailing. AI also brings serious challenges. Bias in AI. If the data is biased, the AI will be too. For example, facial recognition software has shown higher error rates for people of color. Privacy concerns. AI collects and analyzes personal data. Where is the line between convenience and surveillance? Job displacement. Automation could replace millions of jobs. While it may also create new jobs, the transition could be painful. Security risks. AI can be used in cyber attacks, misinformation campaigns, and autonomous weapons. Lack of transparency. Some AI models, especially deep learning ones, are black boxes. Even the developers can't fully explain how they work. Ethics in AI is a growing field. As machines make more decisions, we have to ask, who is responsible if AI makes a mistake? Should AI be allowed to make life or death decisions? Can AI have rights? Should we build superintelligent AI if we can't control it? Fairness, transparency, accountability, and human-centered design are at the heart of ethical AI development. Tech companies and governments are creating guidelines and laws to ensure responsible AI use. What does the future hold? AI and human collaboration. Instead of replacing us, future AI could become our partners, helping doctors, teachers, and engineers do more. Human-level AI. We may see the birth of AGI, artificial general intelligence, in the coming decades. Scientists are both excited and cautious. Regulation and control. Governments are stepping in with rules and policies. Europe's AI Act, the US Executive Order on AI, and UN debates show global concern. New fields of research. From emotional AI to quantum AI, the next frontier could change everything we know. Creative AI. AI-generated books, songs, and paintings are just the beginning. Artificial intelligence is more than just a buzzword. It's a powerful, complex, and rapidly evolving tool that has already changed how we live and work. Like any powerful tool, it comes with responsibility. It can help solve the world's greatest challenges, or deepen existing problems if misused. The future of AI isn't about machines replacing humans. It's about humans using machines to amplify their own intelligence, creativity, and impact. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want more deep dive content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.